Hi guys, this is going to be a short video just to show you how the 10.25 inch looks. Now I do realise we've only got the one video on our YouTube channel, which is actually the 12.3. So the purpose today is just to show you what the 10.25 inch looks like. And here it is. So as you can see, very nice. That's the home page there. As you can see, it works with the original NTG menu. If it's, let me just go back. So as you can see all that there, now you can have this on half screen, which basically got a little speedometer there, but that will be changing the back end settings. We'll just go back to the Android. So as you can see, I'm not going to go into the functionality of the system today because, as I say, we've got plenty of videos on YouTube. Just as I say, the purpose is just to show you the 10.25. I think a lot of things that we tend not to show you is the App Store. As you see, that's the built-in Google Playstore, which is already programmed into the system with our Google Play account. As you can see, nice and quick and responsive. Download all these applications onto there. So I'm just going to say keep it short today. And if you've got any questions, get in touch with us. There you go. Okay, take care. Bye bye.